Welcome back. In this lesson, we will explore different informal ways to say yes and no in Turkish. So let's get started. Evet. Evet. Yeah. Evet. Yeah. Aynen. Yep. If you want to say yep in English, in Turkish it is aynen. Aynen. It also means evet, but mostly aynen. Yep. You know, English people say hı hı, you know. In Turkish people say hı hı. There's no sound like heezy or warble. It is hı. Your mouth is closed and you say hı. In English also there is another way, which is aha. Aha. In Turkish they use the same thing. Hı hı. And one more, sure. In Turkish, tabii. Tabii. Tabii, 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 tabii. Sure, sure, sure. Now let's learn how to say no. Hayır. No. Hayır. 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 Yok. Yok. It is na, no, not. Yok. There's another way. Negative tone, which is hu. Negative tone. If you want to say, for example, you are ignoring something or you are rejecting something in a negative way, you say he, like that. Also, aha, ah. It is the same thing in Turkish, and the last one is asla. Asla. Asla, no way. No way. Asla. Congratulations on completing this lesson. We are ready to learn more new words and expressions in the next session. See you in the next video.